H is for hands. And by hands, I also mean the arms that they're attached to. You can accomplish so much with your hands in a presentation. Think of them as your number one and your number two most important props for your presentation. The best TED Talks, the ones that are highest rated, have presenters that use their hands on a consistent basis. If you're an introvert, like I am, it's harder to use your hands. If you're an extrovert, you're already flapping around like crazy. We have to find the balance between what is appropriate for who we are and the size of our audience. Think of them again as ways to gesture. Do the old Bill Clinton. You can gesture, you can count things off, you can move around with your hands, you can do so many different things. So think about using your hands in a very focused way. The number one tip for your hands is to move with purpose. Don't make them lazy. Don't just gesture frantically around. Have a point for every gesture you're making. This gesture right here doesn't mean much, but I'm using it and stressing it so it helps, as long as there's a purpose. Your gestures should be up and out because we're trying to take up space. Take up space with our hands, draw our audience in. Avoid penguin arms where you're so nervous you're just kind of half-heartedly gesturing. That doesn't work. Don't be frenetic, don't be real lazy, make sure it's with purpose at all times. Lastly, as far as hands go, everything I'm telling you are really, really good tips, but work on these and practice until they come natural for you. If you are an introvert like I am, it's harder to use my hands. If you're an extrovert, it's very easy and you may want to tone it down a bit. But work until they become natural and not robotic. I hope you enjoyed that free lesson from my 2017 e-course. Today, I still teach groups and leaders how to present well. If that's you, if you really need to know how to present well, reach out. I'd love to help.